Today we are going to learn two techniques with Photoshop. First, we will learn how to make an object wet, like this. In the second technique, we are going to learn how to write a text around an object. By the way guys, if you have never worked with Photoshop before but you need to use these two techniques, you can still watch this video because I have done my best to explain it as simple as possible. Let's get started. This is the first picture, the bottle of a shampoo, and the second one is the drops of water. Copy the second picture and paste it in your main project. Now I hide the second picture and select my main object, which here is the bottle of the shampoo. And I duplicate it, because I need the main object in a new layer without any backgrounds. I'll select the drops layer and resize it in a way that it covers the whole shampoo bottle. I'll create a clipping mask and put the mode on soft light. I duplicate it and again I create a clipping mask. Put the mode of this layer on a screen. Hold Ctrl L to open the levels window and move the sliders as I do. Go to the layer below and do the same. Make a duplicate of these two layers and group them. Now make a mask and reduce the density. And carefully brush the drops on the edge to make the picture more natural. Move back the slider to 100%. And that's it. First, we need to select the object, so go to the Select tab and click on Subject. The label is selected, so I have to unselect it. Good. Next, I should expand the selection area. "70 is good." Again, I'll modify the selection path and make it a bit smoother. 95. Now select the selection tool, right-click and make a work path with the tolerance of 1. It's time to type our words. I have pasted it in a Word file before, so I make a copy and paste it in my path. And now you can easily adjust the size, color, or font. That's it.